What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to open a superannuation account in Commonwealth Bank, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. So guys, before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you make sure to stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So guys, how to open it and what is it, a superannuation account, I'm gonna help you right now. So let's go over here. So wait for it to load. So just a second for me to find it over here. So maybe it's like this, SS. Okay, we cannot find it through here, I'm so sorry, but it is in the savings accounts basically. So let me just find it for you over here. So basically we are gonna find it over here. So basically I cannot find it over here, but possibly we can type in the full name over here to find it. So give me a second. Okay, so here we are. So Superannuation savings account. So basically I'm going to teach you how to open it. The SSA is a simple capital guaranteed low cost superannuation account. The SSA is currently unavailable for new customers, but they are committed to supporting their existing customers. So basically the benefits of this is you can see your super through a net bank or commercial bank, capital guaranteed. So basically get your super on track, check if your super is on track, quite an easy way. So basically guys, you can get it if you are a old user, but currently you cannot if you're a new user. So hopefully guys, they are gonna basically repair it so all of you can have it. So amazing account. As you can see, is a simple capital guaranteed low cost superannuation account. The SSA is currently unavailable. The money you put into this SSA is capital guaranteed by the Commonwealth Bank, which means it is safe from market fluctuation as a complying superannuation products under current government legislation. A condition of release must be met before withdrawals from this account. So basically you can open it if you are an old user. So let's see if there are any basically you can super tips for your 20s, super tips for 40s. Basically there is also superannuation forms and documents over here, so we're gonna go through it quickly. So forms and documents, there are 3 categories over here. So if you are an old user, you're eligible to make this account, but if you're a new user, unfortunately you cannot. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the future. Goodbye.